You've probably heard about studies in psychology that claim amazing things like how sitting in a power pose makes you more confident. But what if we can't get the same results when we try it again? In science, we need to know that results are real and not just lucky guesses. This is where replication and reproduction come in. So what are they? Reproduction is where somebody uses the same data and same analysis to see if they can get the same results. And replication is where somebody does the entire experiment over again, ideally with new participants, to see if the findings still hold up. Replication and reproduction are extremely important in science because science isn't about one big breakthrough. It's about building trust in results. So if a finding is real, it should show up again and again and again. And if we can't replicate it, maybe the original results were a fluke, there was a mistake in the research, or somebody could have even messed with the data. In 2015, a huge project was conducted to replicate 100 famous psychology studies. Guess how many actually worked again? If you guessed only about 1/3, you would be correct. This sparked what we now call the replication crisis. The replication crisis happened for many reasons, a few of the big reasons being that journals wanted exciting, flashy, and new headlines. So if a study was only conducted one time and it came up with favorable outcomes, it could have been published. Another reason would be because of p-hacking. P-hacking is where researchers unintentionally tweak data to get positive outcomes. Luckily, like many other things in life, science also learns from its mistakes. So how are we making sure that the replication crisis doesn't happen again? Well, scientists are sharing their data and methods more publicly, as well as some journals are even requiring replication before publishing findings. And let's say you do a study that doesn't really have any fun results, and the results are just there. Well, it is also encouraged to publish those findings as well. This would be known as studies with null results. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, well, reproduction and replication are just nerdy research things, you, my friend, are so very wrong. They are how we make sure that psychology is reliable, useful, and honest. So next time you hear about a mind-blowing study or come across an article with crazy findings, think to yourself first, can someone else do that again?